Villain always coming out here with bangers. Real talk, bro. He's really underlooked. This is Villain Nugu. I already checked out the audio. That shit go hard in my car. But the music video wise, I don't. I think he's talking his shit though. I'm gonna put the Korean lyrics either way, unless there's already lyrics for. Oh, he is. What happened to you? Woo. Hey, don't be farting in the name of the king. Y'all tripping. Let me turn y'all farts off. Let me start lower. First of all, he's running. He's in danger. He's tied up. Oh, it has subs too, actually. Ooh, he's talking his shit. Talk your shit. Hey, yo, he fucking charging the fuck up, bro. I could literally, I'm pretty sure I could edit like him just charging up, bro. I might just do that. That's kind of fire. Ooh. Bro, say like, who are you? It don't ring a bell. Who is he talking shit about? That's all I want to know. The industry? You're up. Ooh. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Talk your shit. Get it, get it, get it. Try for millions. Nah, don't. That go hard. Hey, 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 hey. Dang, he talking his shit. I love when people talk their shit. What? Oh. Ayo, Villain, I know. I don't know who you talking about. I remember you. I think you talked about this with me actually. Never mind. Never mind. I might know the tea. Wait. Wait. I think we did talk about this actually. No, I didn't know the lyrics.
Is that what you're talking about?
Ooh.
Is that what you're preaching about?
Ooh.
Don't go and checking it out. Don't go and checking it out.
Ooh.
Is that what you're preaching about?
Huh?
Is that what you're preaching about?
Hey, talk your shit.
This fella.
Beware of the false prophets which come to you in sheep's clothing, but inward. Okay. I love when Villain talks this shit. I hopefully you don't have to do it all the time, but when he does, I can't wait. Him, there's a lot of people I like when they talk that shit. August D, when Sugar talks this shit, I love listening to that. Villain is up there too. See, fire, like it, that was fire. Jeez, dang. Okay, we out here. Remind me to add this to my library. You already know, fire as always. That was hella good. Not my style, but seems cool. Hey, that's good. I like that. Sometimes, yo, but the thing about Villain, and I've heard some of his other stuff, he's definitely versatile. This is just him getting, I feel like this is just like getting this shit off his chest type of shit. And I love that about that. Spicy little thing. Oh, Los Angeles Street. Let's go. Oh, I actually know where this is. Okay, Crossland Hotel. Okay. Oh yeah, look at the balloon, like kind of like gummy looking, kind of like caricature, like what was the font? Like they use. It's quite interesting. aespa Spicy MV. Let's check it out, shall we? Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh! What the? Wait, is that don't tell me that's just a Balenciaga jersey. First of all, they just dropped from the sky on a pink Cadillac? What is this? Impala? It's a Balenciaga jersey again, Dre. Don't fall for this. Anyways, what's up, aespa? Let's get this shit.
Too spicy.
Too spicy.
You want my A to the Z, but you won't. 어림없지 맞춰봐, sweet.
Are they playing the Mean Girls? Why is everybody playing the Mean Girls? Or like the Pop the Girls? Dang. They on that Cali Beverly Hills ish. Ooh, hold up. Oh, I was about to say something. Oh, fire alarm. Oh, they kept the beat. Oh, for the drop too. While the fire spreads. That whole digital part kind of reminds me of like the Tetris like movie, if you guys seen it, since they also were a part of the Tetris soundtrack as well. This is Cali girl vibes, real talk. That look though. Look at mounts in the background too. I think. Oh, they filmed this a while back. No. Whoa. Tell me what you see when you look at me, cause I'm a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I love it. Tell me what you see when you look at me, cause I'm a 10 out of 10. Honestly, 기세가 다른 move, but I don't wanna groove. But you keep wasting your time. Don't chase me. Okay. Ooh, okay hairstyle, ma'am. So bad. Wow. Any pause. Oh wait, never mind. I just ruined my. I was about to say any pause. It just looks beautiful, but no, this is beautiful. This is a bad pause. I do apologize. Whose house is this? Who's a mansion? The outfits though, the makeup. You see retro vibes too, either way. So this is the title track, right? For the whole album. What an interesting shot that was, actually. It was filmed at a university? USC? Where? Nah, this is not USC. SM likes to experiment a lot too. It's definitely, they were experimenting with this one for sure. Wait, what? I thought that she was washing the car for some reason, but she was just sprayed. How spicy? Like Takis spicy or like hot Cheeto spicy? Are they watching a movie? They are. Ooh, let's go. Iconic right there. Can't handle them. Can you handle them, chat? I don't think you can. Wait, how many keys? Wednesday, Tuesday. Oh my god, they got a car for each month. Like, no, it was about each month, each day. Oh, this is some rich girl stuff. I can't relate to that. So who's my bias? Okay, so I was about to talk about who's my bias. I don't know if I have a bias anymore again. I thought I don't know. I thought it was Giselle. Then I was like, no, I appreciate them as a whole. Wait, when you can't choose a bias? No, K-pop hoeing around is like when you hop to different people as your bias. So I guess so, yeah, I'm a K-pop hoe. I thought it was Winter. Bro, I don't even know anymore. Like in the beginning it was like Karina. And then it switched up to I think Ding Ding. Then Winter for a bit and then Giselle. But I think I'm feeling the B-sides a lot more than the title track. This is the title track, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think Thirsty is still one of the faves for sure. Let's go, aespa. This is 17 hours ago? Oh my god, I'm late. But am I though? Am I though?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.